Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best application to edit your YouTube videos on both iOS and Android devices. So if that sounds interesting to you, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you watch the video till the end because I'm going to be walking you guys through a tutorial. Without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So like I said, this application works fine on both iOS and Android devices. So go over to your Play Store or App Store and search for InShot. Once you're done downloading it, open the application up. Oh sorry, I'm going to delete this project I was working on. You should see like a welcome page that looks like this. So click on video and select the video. You can select multiple videos that you want to add. I'm going to just select a video for the sake of this tutorial. So once you're done selecting a video, click on the little check mark you can see over there. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the volume because I don't want you guys to hear some weird background noises. So the first option you should see is canvas. It's on your left side of the screen. So once you click on canvas allows you to choose different formats for your video. You have an Instagram format, YouTube format, TikTok format, and an Apple format. So choose whatever format you want to use. But for this video, I'm going to choose YouTube. The second menu is the music menu. Once you click on this music menu, it allows you to add background music to your video. So if you want to do that, you click on track, you select any music you want to use, then you add it to your video. You can also use some funny sound effects like farts, airplane, weapons, and bells. You can also record your voice. You can do a little voice over in this application. Click on record and record your voice. You can also add text to your video. Hit on text and type anything you want. You can change the font size. You can change the font. You can change the size. You can also change the color by tapping on the color wheel. The next option should be filter. InShot has a lot of filters, but I'm not going to cover everything. I'm going to leave some of it for you guys. The most important feature and the one I like using the most on the filter is the curve. So this curve works like magic. You can edit your video like a professional. Just try to play around with this feature and you'll be really good at it. So once you're done, click on the check mark. Pip allows you to add pictures or videos to your video. So I want to add this particular picture to my video. Once I add the picture to my video, it's going to play in an overlapping manner so it doesn't disrupt anything. So once you're done, click on the check mark. There's an option that says precut, but I don't use it. I love using split. So you guys should pay close attention because this helps a lot. So let's say you want to crop the first 2 seconds of your video. You play your video. Once it's at that particular point, you pause it and you hit on split. So once you hit on split, you have 2 videos already. To see the 2 videos, you click down on a particular part, then you're going to see your 2 videos. Select the one you want to delete and hit on delete, so it's deleted. What if you want to edit a mistake that's in between your video? Make it play. Let's say the mistake started here, hit on split, and let's say the mistake ended here, hit on split. So hold down on a particular aspect of a video, click on the middle video and hit delete. You can duplicate your videos tap on the video you want to duplicate and hit duplicate. It should duplicate. You can also increase the speed. Tap on your video and hit speed. You can increase the speed and decrease the speed, or leave it at a normal rate. You can also crop your video. You can crop it to YouTube, to Instagram, and to TikTok. I'm going to leave it like this. When you go to settings, you should see your video resolution and your frame rate. InShot has 720 pixels, 1080 pixels, and 4K. I love using 1080, I don't know why. You can also change your frame rate to 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second. Once you're done editing your video, at the top right corner of your screen, you should see an up arrow. Click on it and hit on save. So once the video is processing, please do not switch in between apps. It is not going to work, it is going to crash. It takes literally like a minute. Just wait and your video has been successfully edited. Upload to YouTube, Instagram, or any other application. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Turn on your post notification. Love you guys. Till next time.